Today, I will show you how you can make $2,300 easily through this brand new strategy. This is available worldwide and it's absolutely free to do. No social media is involved and you don't need a camera or any expensive equipment for that matter. Stay tuned and keep watching to find out how. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have a strategy for you that involves affiliate marketing, and I'm assuming most of you know what that is since you're watching this video after all. But in case you don't, affiliate marketing is basically promoting a product for some company, and when someone you referred to that product via your referral link purchases it, you will get paid a set percentage of the product's sales price. Now, with that said, your very first step is to come over to digistore24.com. This, as you may guess, is an affiliate marketplace where you can find a bunch of products you can promote. It's a site that's very similar to clickbank.com, but with one major difference. Digistore24 works worldwide. Meanwhile, ClickBank here, as good of a site as it is not worldwide available. If it happens to be available in your country, though, you can most definitely use it. But I will go along here with Digistore24 instead. Now, when you first come on here, what you need to do is create your account before you can start promoting anything as an affiliate. And as such, you want to click on either Start Now, it's free to sign up here, or Register Now in the upper right corner. And you will want to just enter in some of your basic information in order to create your brand new account. Once you create and log into your account, you now need to head over to the affiliate marketplace. And so you want to click on Marketplace right here and then on All Offers on Affiliate Marketplace below. And it's on the very next page where you will actually be able to grab affiliate links to all the different products. And as you can see on the left-hand side, you have all of these different categories. They range from animals and pets to business and investment, games and fun, and so on. Now, how much money you will get paid when you get a purchase on a product you're promoting, you can see right here. Just above that, you have the commissions, or how much of a percentage of the product's sales price you will get, which in this case, as you can see, is 85%. Now, with that said, while this platform offers you a lot of different products for you to promote, and while you can choose whatever you want to promote, I will be focusing on one particular type of offer: affiliate marketing courses. To find them, you will just have to type in the keyword affiliate in the search bar here. The main reason I recommend affiliate marketing courses, guys, is the fact that they are popular. As simple as that. There are so many people out there who want to make money online through affiliate marketing, and that in turn means that you can make a lot of money promoting any one of these. Anyways, what you need to do from here is, simply put, find something good to promote. And you wanna, in particular, pay attention to the commission rate and how much you will be getting paid per referral. Here's an offer I will be using as an example. It will pay me 50% commissions, which is $230 per single referral, which is actually quite a lot. This means I don't have to refer that many people to be able to earn a lot of money. When you guys find a product you like that will also pay you quite decently, just click on Promote Now in order to be able to grab the affiliate link to it. From there, you will want to head over to some link shortening service. You have Bitly, tinyurl, and many others you can use. I personally would recommend bitly.com. And you now want to paste the link in here and then click on Shorten. Now, the reason we are doing this, the reason you want to shorten your affiliate link is, first off, because it's a bit obvious that you are promoting a product as an affiliate due to the fact that your affiliate link starts with digistore24.com. And secondly, because the link simply looks a lot better when you shorten it with this platform. This is an optional step, but I would nevertheless highly recommend that you do this. Okay, so now that you have your link, shortened or not, it's finally time for me to show you how to get traffic to it. And while there are many ways to do so through social media, YouTube, and whatnot, we will actually be using Google, and I will show you how you can put that link in front of people who are interested in making money online, who will want to check out this free course, and who might want to purchase the product as well and earn you thousands of dollars. Anyhow, what you want to do on Google is search for work from home blogs like I'm doing now. Now, you don't have to type this in per se. You can type in a different keyword so you get more results. Perhaps you can search for best make money online blogs, best online business blogs, or so on. The point is, you want to find people who, as I said, want to make money online. And what better place for that than a site where people discuss making money online every single day? In any case, you now want to open up any one of these sites, and you now want to pick any one of these make money online blogs. Which one you go for really doesn't matter. I opened up this one here as an example, and what you will need to do from here is simply find various blog posts and open some of them up, and here's why. 99% of the time, these blog posts will have comments at the very bottom of the page, and every single one of these people in the comments section wants to make money online. So when you present them with a course here to make money online, there's a great chance that they will sign up to it. Now, with that said, what you don't want to do is spam your affiliate link in these comments. Not only will that get you banned, but you won't get any clicks on your link. What you instead need to do is talk to these people first. You don't want to make it obvious that you are promoting anything, so just talk to them first. Provide some value. You can perhaps tell them how this course changed your life and allowed you to make money online for the first time in your life. Stuff like that. And only then will you share your affiliate link. You will want to repeat this process, guys, for all of these different posts on all of the different blogs that you can find. And here's the best part about this. These blogs get thousands upon thousands of visits. And if you get like 150 people to sign up for your course in like 10 days, which by the way is insanely conservative, and you get just a single sale in that same period, that would amount to nearly $3,000 in a little over a week. So not only do you have thousands of potential customers, but you don't need so many of them to purchase the product for you to make a lot of money. What you can also do with this strategy is promote a few other similar make money online products from Digistore24 here. As I said, you want to focus primarily on affiliate marketing courses for many different reasons. But it's not a bad idea to mix things up a bit and promote something else alongside it, if you want to, that is. In any case, however you want to do it, as you've seen, this strategy is incredibly effective and it can indeed make you a lot of money online. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.